Good morning students, 9th standard physics. So in this class we are going to discuss about density, relative density, then how to measure the relative density. So first density. So density of a substance is defined as mass per unit volume of a substance. So the unit of density is kilogram per meter cube or in terms of gram per centimeter cube. So how to understand more clear about density? So first, so kerosene is filled with 250 ml glass vessel. Then water is filled with again same 250 ml glass vessel. Now measure it. So what is the mass of a kerosene with 250 ml kerosene? So that is 280 gram. If it is water is 330 gram. Actually the mass of the glass vessel without kerosene, without water is 80 gram. So what is the mass of the kerosene? That is 250 ml of mass of kerosene is 280 minus 80, 200 gram. Then mass of the water, that is 250 ml of water is 330 minus 80, 250 gram. So this is the mass of kerosene and water. So density equal to mass by volume. So mass of the kerosene is 200 gram. So density equal to mass by volume. So we need to find first density of water. So mass of the water 250 gram. Then volume of the glass vessel is 250 ml. So 250 gram, then 250 ml. So 250 cancel, you get density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Then if it is for kerosene, so mass of the kerosene of 250 ml is 200 gram. So that volume of the glass vessel is 250 ml. So 200 by 250, so you will get 4 by 5. So you will get 0.8, that's all. So 40, so you need to put 1 point, so 0.8. So compare the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, but kerosene is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. So which one is denser? Water is more denser compared to kerosene. So the next, relative density. So relative density is a comparison. So we need to compare with someone. So here water is compared. So relative density is a ratio of density of a substance divided by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Why at 4 degrees Celsius? Water. So density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So it's fixed. So we can compare more easily. So they are choosing water at 4 degrees Celsius. So density equal to mass by volume. So mass of the substance divided by volume of the substance divided by mass of the water divided by volume of the water. So just expand density of the substance divided by density of the water by mass by volume, then mass by volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Then volume of the substance and volume of a water both are equal. So here volume of the vessel, that is 250 ml, again volume of the substance also, so it is filled with something. So volume of the substance as well as volume of water is both are equal. So we need to cancel it. So finally you get mass of the certain amount of substance divided by mass of equal volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the relative density. So just you need to compare. So mass of the substance for kerosene is 200 gram. Just substitute. Then mass of the water, that is 250. If it is 250 ml, so we are going to find the relative density of kerosene with respect to water. So 200 by 250, so 4 by 5, you will get 0.8. So the relative density have no unit. So relative density of kerosene with respect to water is 0.8. Then how to measure the relative density? So for finding the relative density, what are the things we need? Mass of the substance, mass of the water. So mass of the water is, mass of the substance and mass of the water is find out by using pycnometer. So it's also called density bottle. So it's simply a bottle, it's a glass vessel with a glass topper with fine hole. So for example, I am going to measure mass of the substance. So this is 250 ml. I fill it with 250 ml of water. Then so it should be exactly 250 ml. So whatever the liquid I am filling, so the glass vessel should be filled with 250 ml. So I am using to close using a glass topper. It is with a fine hole. If it is close, if it is excess means the liquid flows out. So after some time exactly 250 ml of water we have. Then we go and find the mass of the substance as well as mass of the water. We can easily find the relative density. So relative density is also called specific gravity. So if they are using water, so specific gravity is another name